Alright YouTube, I got a couple little clips here. I've been having some issues with my video editing software. It's just not... basically the software on my phone that I've been using, the app, they decided to start charging after the app was totally free, and it's not like your basic monthly charge. It's like weekly, and it's like $3 a week or something insane like that. So I'm not using that anymore. So I'm having to do it on my laptop, and my laptop is not the newest thing in the world. I just got it to run HP tuners on it. So I'm going to, I got bored enough since the coronavirus has kind of robbed everyone of their joy and freedom. So I put together a couple clips that I had on the GoPro, and I met up with a couple other GTOs, and I'm going to be doing more videos with them here pretty soon. So I included their cars at the end of the video, but it's just kind of a mashup of stuff. Now that I've kind of figured out how I'm going to do videos now, I can start to upload more regularly. But the GTO is currently, I've got the tune all paid for. I'm just kind of waiting for the first initial tune to come back from the mail order tuner. So hopefully sometime this week I'll be able to get that back and flash it to the car and start doing some more data logging, and then hopefully pretty soon put some larger springs in the wastegate and start to really make some power. But here are the clips. Here she is. Looking pretty good. Super dirty though. Definitely in need of some, definitely in need of some care here. So I'm just going to do a couple little things here, get the shop opened up, and then we will drive it over to the car wash and try and get some of this cleaned up. Mainly just doing some just some street driving on the GTO. I had to replace one of my my drain line on the turbo, because it got loose from where I had it setting, and got pinched between the frame rail and the downpipe and melted. So I just had to fix that. I fixed a small exhaust leak. I still have a couple more, but I fixed kind of one of the more annoying ones, and she's running a lot better. Not bad, not bad. What's up, everybody? I'm gonna try and film alternator grinding away. This thing's got 50,000 miles on it, or 55,000 miles, excuse me. Super clean. I don't remember exactly what he's getting for it, but I know he's getting it. I think he's getting what he paid for it. They've had it for quite a while, but yeah, he's moving on to a Corvette because he sees the light, you know. Chevy. Look at this guy. What are you doing? People in this town. It's not even Texans. It's just that everybody moves to Austin, so we get a little bit of everybody, a lot of different driving styles, and there are some odd people out there for sure. But in stock form, these Lightnings, I mean, they're neat trucks, and I like them, but they're not the fastest thing out there for being, you know, what they are. Quiet, except for that kind of weird whining noise coming from it. Don't know what that's about, but have to get that in and get looked at later. But yeah, so take that back and then. The last one, it was totally dark, you couldn't see anything. Now we got some actual light.
Yeah, man, these fucking dudes came in with cavaliers, and this guy was filming and shit.